The Pony Coupe concept, first introduced in 1974, expressed confidence in the bold design direction that Hyundai is moving forward. Inspired by Pony's challenging spirit, IONIQ 5 is the first dedicated electric vehicle for Hyundai, offering a unique mobility experience. With inspiration from Pony's challenging spirit and state-of-the-art dedicated electric car design, we aim for a time-transcendent design value that connects the past with the present and the future. The most basic units of digital visual, pixels, are utilized throughout the front and rear of IONIQ 5. This detail, applied to the original Pony's grille, reveals the unique identity of IONIQ brand, tastefully connecting analog and digital in a contemporary design that pays homage to the past, highlights the present, and foresees the future. The special light signature uses transflective coating technology, looking like a garnish when the lamp is off, but maximizing IONIQ's clean design by implementing differentiated pattern lights when lit. You can also find simple design elements that focus on the features of the vehicle. In line with the characteristics of EVs that do not require a grille, the main area of the front is equipped with Smart Sense sensors to create a perfect balance of design and function. The active air flap at the bottom enhances its exterior appearance when closed, while cooling the battery as well as creating a reduction in air resistance when open. The IONIQ brand signature of parametric pixel lighting makes IONIQ stand out even from the rear. Inspired by long-loved electronic products, the sliced rear reflectors add a new touch to the rear of the IONIQ 5. The rear spoiler reflects Hyundai's design philosophy of sensuous sportiness, adding sporty sensibilities with the help of aerodynamics. The high-mounted stoplight, which appears as two holes with bezels, breaks away from the traditional single-line light and adds individuality to the distinctive rear. Based on the new platform, eGMP, the IONIQ 5 implements an SUV proportion with a short overhang and a long wheelbase to complete the future EV profile design. The aluminum clamshell hood, which is first applied to EVs, minimizes the parting line and blends well with the clean face construction of the IONIQ 5. Parametric dynamics, which were also featured in the 45 concept car, create a shape where the front and rear of the IONIQ 5 meets each other, harmonizing both parts of IONIQ 5. The built-in door handle adds visual clarity and is also beneficial to aerodynamic efficiency when driving. Hyundai's first dedicated EV charging door was designed from the customer's point of view. It is designed to open by 130 degrees, making it safe even when it rains or snows. And pixel lighting in the charger is not only aesthetic, but also convenient to check information as a charging indicator. The parametric pixel geometry design of the wheels were designed with aerodynamics as the top priority. The side cladding surrounding the wheel is applied with a high-tech pattern that resembles a camera aperture, adding to the SUV's presence. The elaborately designed line pattern, matching with the rear parting line, also aids in aerodynamic performance. In addition to the existing 4 colors, the exterior design of IONIQ 5 is completed with 5 new colors inspired from nature. Atlas White emphasizes a clean and eco-friendly image. Lucid Blue Pearl, inspired by the crystal clear sky and the clarity of the fresh wind. Mystic Olive Green Pearl, modeled after the natural color of the earth. Digital Teal Green Pearl, pure color of mineral crystals. Gravity Gold Matte, inspired by the warmth of pure light. The various colors will make IONIQ 5's timeless value stand out. IONIQ 5 offers a neatly refined and comfortable space that you would feel in a modern living room. The new design that breaks away from the existing design, connecting the dashboard, center fascia, and the console, offers you a sense of space, as if you entered a spacious living room as soon as you get in. The interior is made of soft and simple materials that are made like the finishing of furniture you may find in your home, offering you a feeling of coziness. A modular, integrated EV controller brings together all the driving information and scattered operating systems in one place, creating a product-like impression. It minimizes the number of buttons that need to be operated and is more convenient to use by adopting an intuitive column-type shift-by-wire. The high-resolution large display features an EV-specific graphic design inspired by paper and pixels. The subtle three-dimensional effect and themes for day and night are neat at a glance and convenient for checking EV-related information. The remaining space offers comfort and the refined sense of fine furniture. The hidden pull handle and speakers, arranged in a simple line, make the space look cleaner. When it is dark, the light shining along the edge of the speaker creates a subtle and cozy atmosphere. Unlike any sunroof, the center member has been removed, and the wide vision roof, which blends with the neat ceiling design, will provide a wide sense of dramatic openness and enjoyment. A full flat floor was possible on a dedicated EV platform, and the open bottom space with wider wheelbase provide ample legroom in both first and second rows. The seats with a simple image like a sofa in a comfortable living room offer a soft and neat finish. The relaxation seats in the first row provide perfect relaxation through a zero-gravity position. Thanks to the removed center tunnel, the sliding console can now move 140 millimeters rearward, adding versatility to the space. It can also be used as an armrest. It's specially optimized for relaxation seat mode. The interior colors of black monotone, gray two-tones, and dark green two-tones complete the calm and modern design concept of IONIQ 5. As an electric vehicle, eco-friendly materials are used inside the vehicle. Depending on the option you choose, the seat covers are made of recycled plastic bottles, bio-ingredients from sugarcane, corn, and wool blended with polyester yarn. The door trim, crush pad, and floor mat are also made with biomaterials. A paperette material is applied to the door garnish for the world's first time as an automotive interior part. Not only does it give a lightweight feeling of paper and fabric, but it also increases design freedom and is 100% recyclable. From transportation to living space, experience the unique space of IONIQ 5.